Can I do the favorite kind of art?
Is that how you pet cats?
Yeah, you gotta
get their eyes.
Have to be up.
Wait, no, my makeup.
I'm sorry.
Hello, it's been a while since I've done a live Facebook video. Halloween's coming up. My goal was to do a look only using beauty products. So I won't use any of my face painting or special effects products, only beauty makeup. Tell me what you're being for Halloween and I'll see if I can pull it off. Cheshire Cat, that's such a good idea. If I'm drawing on something, I'll use my eyebrow pencil. Those are my two modes, cute and scary, cute or scary. I'm gonna start tracing out where I want the mouth to go. Then I'm gonna start tracing out the teeth. I'm gonna be using Wet n Wild eye pencil in white. You can use an eyeliner pencil for the teeth. I also have a fat crayon, which is for under eye. And you can take a small angled brush. I'm just doing nice big triangles for the teeth. I'm gonna fill in the teeth using the same jumbo eye pencil. You wanna leave a little space to fill in the black to define the teeth out. As a younger child, I did read fan fiction. But I mean, who didn't? Who didn't read some sort of weird Harry Potter fan fiction? So just me, that's okay, that's fine. Use eyeliner and we're gonna outline the teeth and the inside here. Alexa, can you play This Is Halloween on Spotify? We have our teeth traced out. I'm just gonna fill in the gaps with black. Taking a purple eyeshadow. Actually, I'm gonna go lighter right above. Drag this across with a fluffy brush across the top of the teeth, then across the bottom. Lip liner, in this case in blackberry, so I'm trying to pick a dark purple. Outline over on top of the pink we just did. Smaller brush, I'm gonna take this darker purple color, start shading the tops of the teeth. Like this. So I'm going across each tooth and then down, dragging it down a little bit. Let's do the time walk again. Back in with that pink, dab it in between my gums. I don't know if we can go back to cute from this. With that same purple color from earlier, I'm just tapping it on and going up against my eyebrow. So I'm filling in the whole area. I'm gonna use the darkest purple in the kind of edges. So I want a big boy in these eyebrows to kind of balance out the mouth. I'm filling in my own eyebrows as well. You can use a dark color or a light pink. Oh, so good. I'm gonna give myself eyeliner. Obviously a cat eye. Black eyeliner. I'm gonna trace the mouth. My best advice for putting eyeliner all over your face is just to do it confidently. The darker purple around the bottom of my eyes. Toss a coin to your witcher, oh valley of plenty, oh valley of plenty, oh. White jumbo pencil. You can just do this directly onto your eyes, but I like to use a brush. My waterline, I'm just placing the white there. It's more of a cat nose, I think. Black eyeshadow. If you have a small fluffy brush, under the teeth. I want to pet the kitty. That would be nice, Carson. I'm a cat. Yeah.
Can I do the favorite kind of art?
Is that how you pet cats?
Yeah, you gotta
get their eyes.
Have to be up.
Wait, no, my makeup.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I ruined it.
It's alright.
I'm the worst
Just
pet sitter
aggressive
ever.
petting. We're donezo. Should I go to my Zoom meeting looking like this? Okay, thank you guys so much. Bye.